Hello learners and welcome to our channel that is Pendulum EDU, and we are going to work on vocabulary in this vocab show. Now the article that we've taken today for you is this. It says fighting a double pandemic. Now what does this mean? We have one pandemic that has hit our country so bad, that is COVID-19. So what is double pandemic we're talking about? So let's see what the writer or the author has to say in this article. जो कि वो कह रहे हैं कि there are people in the world or in our country who are fighting a double pandemic. Pandemic is the first word that I'm going to discuss with you people. I hope and believe that most of you know now, right? Pandemic is nothing but a noun, okay? It is महामारी जिसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं, a widespread disease. That is what pandemic is. And the similar is epidemic, okay? Pandemic is for a particular period of time. This is for a particular duration of a particular moment or time. Okay, for the time span they're talking about. Epidemic is just, it is not related in terms of time for a particular time period or place we're talking about. It is epidemic. It is महामारी. This is also same. ये भी क्या है? महामारी. Pandemic और epidemic synonyms ही है एक तरीके से. It says with the COVID-19 epidemic, there is an escalation in the risk millions face from domestic and gender-biased violence. Now, escalation का मतलब ये एक noun है सबसे पहले. इसका मतलब है increment या increase. कहते हैं बढ़ोतरी. बढ़ोतरी है किस चीज में? इस रिस्क में कि डोमेस्टिक और जेंडर बेस्ड वायलेंस भी लोग झेल रहे हैं इसके साथ साथ. वेकिंग अप टू स्क्रीम्स, थर्ड ये भी नाउन है और थर्ड का मतलब होता है, आई विल राइट इट हियर, थर्ड इज नाउन. इसका मतलब होता है लाउड एंड हेवी साउंड. दैट इज व्हाट इज थर्ड. मतलब भारी आवाज या फिर आप कह सकते हैं कठोर ध्वनि या फिर कठोर आवाज. So वो कह रहे waking up to screams, thoughts, angry shouting and sickening sound of someone crashing into a wall, a table or door. This is the cruel reality of many children and young people across our Commonwealth. And as economies, institutions, social welfare sectors continue to buckle under the strain. Now guys, learners, this is an idiom. Buckle under the strain. I will, okay, shall I write it here only? वो कह रहे हैं जैसे जैसे आप देख रहे हो जो इकोनॉमी है, इंस्टीट्यूशन है, वो दे आर बकलिंग अंडर द स्ट्रेन. मतलब दे आर डीलिंग विथ अ डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन. मतलब एक मुसीबत का सामना करना. इट्स अ फ्रेज जिसका मतलब है मुसीबत का सामना करना या मुसीबत से जूझना. ऑफ द अनप्रेसिडेंटेड कोविड-19 पैंडेमिक क्राइसिस. अनप्रेसिडेंटेड कोविड, it's an adjective that is qualifying COVID-19. Unprecedented का मतलब होता है unusual, ना कभी देखा ना कभी सुना. okay, that is unprecedented, जिसे आप हिंदी में कहते हैं अनजान या आप कह सकते हैं ओके unusual या आप कह सकते हैं असामान्य. कुछ इज नॉट यूजुअल, कुछ बहुत ही अलग है. Pandemic crisis, there is a dangerous escalation in the risk of millions of people caught in the clutches of domestic and gender-based violence. Clutch noun है, इसका मतलब होता है grip, ठीक है, या grasp, जिसे हम कहते हैं जकड़ या पकड़. तो किस चीज में फंस गए लोग, किस पकड़ में फंस गए लोग? इन केस ऑफ डोमेस्टिक एंड जेंडर बेस्ड वायलेंस की बात हो रही है. It says emerging evidence. Evidence is noun learners. Evidence जिसका मतलब होता है सबूत. So in English we can say proof, right? on the impact of essential lockdown measures and the economic fallout. Learners, fallout is a noun और fallout का मतलब होता है किसी चीज का विवाद होना. Okay, I'll write it like this. विवाद. I will write it clear. किसी चीज का विवाद होना, या आप कह सकते हैं fallout is the adverse effects of something that is not good. So economic fallout है, किसका fallout है? पैंडेमिक का. किसके इफेक्ट्स की बात करें, एडवर्स इफेक्ट्स की बात करें? पैंडेमिक के एडवर्स इफेक्ट्स की बात करें, या इम्पैक्ट की, या प्रभाव की बात करें. ठीक है, जिसने की विवाद खड़े कर दिए, इकोनॉमिक विवाद हैं, हम देख रहे हैं किसके वजह से हैं? पैंडेमिक की वजह से. On gender-based and domestic violence paints a frightening picture. The crisis has led to an alarming escalation of violence in the home, with women bearing the brunt of the frustration and the anger. Learners वो कह रहे हैं कि सिर्फ यही नहीं, अगर आप domestic violence में देखें तो जो घर की ladies हैं या women हैं, वो भी बहुत कुछ बेयर कर रही हैं. वो क्या बेयर कर रही हैं? brunt of the frustration and anger. brunt का मतलब होता है चोट. और तो किसकी चोट बर्दाश्त कर रही है? जो कि व्यक्ति की फ्रस्ट्रेशन, एंगर का जो चोट है उसको बर्दाश्त कर रही है, या आप कह सकते हैं उसके इम्पैक्ट को बेयर कर रही है. इट्स अ नाउन. ब्रंट इज अ नाउन. ओके. In some areas, there have been reports of women being prevented from seeing doctors and female doctors being spat on while testing other women for COVID-19. Spat, quarrel, झगड़ा करना. ठीक है, हिंदी में हम कहते हैं झगड़ा. मतलब कहने की बात है कि वो वैसे ही परेशान है, और जो फीमेल डॉक्टर्स बीइंग स्पैट ऑन व्हाइल टेस्टिंग अदर वुमेन फॉर कोविड-19, मतलब वो उस पर भी झगड़ रही हैं. ठीक है, जो फीमेल डॉक्टर्स हैं. स्पैट यहाँ पर वैसे नाउन है, स्पैट ऑन यूज हुआ है तो फ्रेजल वर्ब की तरह यूज हुआ है यहाँ इस सेंटेंस में, प्लीज याद रखिएगा. मूविंग अहेड लर्नर्स, we are seeing surging numbers of emergency calls to helplines with rises of anything between 25 and 300. Dramatic increases. Dramatic का मतलब होता है अकस्मात, मतलब sudden and striking. Sudden and striking, जो कि एकदम से भी हो रहा है और आपको बहुत शॉकिंग भी लग रहा है. ये एक एडजेक्टिव है. Alright. In internet searches for support for those affected by domestic violence and high numbers of domestic homicides. You know, homicides, killing of a human, large number of people. That is homicide. These are extremely disturbing trends which must not be ignored. Barriers to care. Experience teaches us that women tend often to be at a disadvantage during crisis, epidemics, and now this pandemic. And that domestic violence tends to increase. In West Africa, 60% of total deaths in 2014 Ebola virus outbreak were women. Following the Canterbury earthquake in New Zealand, there was a 53% rise in domestic violence. In many cases, this is because gender roles and harmful practices, including customs such as early and forced marriage, limit women's access to health services. Women do 3 times as much unpaid care work at home compared to men and make up 70% of workers in the health and social care sectors. They are squarely in infections path. वो कह रहे हैं कि वो सीधा infection के path में आती है, because वो इतनी physically इतनी vulnerable, इतनी कमजोर हो चुकी होती है, because they are doing this so much, like what has been stated अभी just इस paragraph में जो state किया है, वो इतना कुछ करी कि physically mentally बहुत कमजोर हो जाती है, तो वायरस उसको affect कर सकता है बहुत आसानी से. Squarely is an adverb here, okay, और इसका मतलब होता है directly, जिसका मतलब हिंदी में हम कहते हैं सीधा. Getting it? Moving ahead. During the present COVID-19 pandemic, mass school closures are tending to entrench learning gaps between girls and boys. मतलब वो उस entrench gap को भरने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, establish करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, उसको bridge करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, या आप कह सकते हो they are trying to यहाँ पर entrench जो है वो action word की तरह यूज हुआ है verb की तरह. ठीक है, entrench learning gaps मतलब build करना, बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. And putting many more girls at risk of sexual exploitation, early pregnancy and early forced marriage. They also mean that children are unable to report abuse to a trusted teacher. And with restriction of home visits by police and health workers, violent shelters being converted into health facilities, and courts being forced to close. Many victims may find themselves trapped and feeling abandoned. Abandoned is again an adjective. Alone, अकेला पाते हैं बहुत से विक्टिम्स जो होते हैं इन सब चीजों, क्योंकि देखिए ना हेल्थ वर्कर्स उनको सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं, ना पुलिस कर सकती है, तो वो क्या करेंगे, वो खुद को अकेला पा रहे हैं, खुद को ट्रैप पाते हैं, फंसा हुआ पाते हैं. mitigating is again mitigating the devastating impacts, मतलब कम करना. To reduce, mitigating the devastating impacts. Devastating मतलब damaging. Devastating एक adjective है, आप damaging कह रहे हैं, इसका आप मतलब कह सकते हैं बर्बादी करना. Of this hidden pandemic of domestic violence requires strong and concerted action. So the Commonwealth, concerted is again an adjective. Okay, I'm writing it here. Concerted is an adjective. इसका मतलब है कठोर. Okay, कठोर, strict कह सकते हो आप. Okay, strong कह सकते हो आप. ठीक है. So the Commonwealth Secretariat is working alongside partner organization measures which will help our 54 member countries to stem the rising tide of gender bias violence. कहते हैं to stem, to control. Okay, ये जो origin है इस rising tide का, इसको वो stem कर सकते हैं, control में ला सकते हैं. In meeting with counterpart मतलब अपने इक्विवेलेंट के साथ या अपने साथ संगी के साथ. ओके, okay. Such as the Organization International de la Francophonie, the Pacific Islands Forum, the Council of Europe, and Community of Spanish language countries, we have explored collaboration mechanisms to ensure that women are at the center of post-COVID-19 recovery planning. We will work with our respective members to implement policy responses and interventions to safeguard victims and those at risk. Intervention is a noun. इसका मतलब होता है to interfere, or you can say not to interfere, you can say interference. Okay, बीच बचाव, या आप कह सकते हैं हस्तक्षेप. That is intervention or interference. Moving ahead, these discussions allowed us to share concerns and ideas conveyed by our member governments and to outline key considerations. Outline matlab to give or to summarize, to give summary or to summarize. मतलब रूपरेखा देना, मतलब कि क्या था, जो भी था उसमें सब कुछ हमें बताना. For the upcoming ministerial meetings being arranged by the Commonwealth, health system link. It is clear, for example, that an important priority is the provision of basic health care to all individuals and communities free of charge at the point of delivery. All evidence points to a clear link between weak health systems and vulnerabilities to domestic violence. Weaknesses. We have already discussed this word, previous. So urgent action needs to be taken to ensure that during this COVID-19 pandemic, victims of abuse are able to access the health care they need, including mental health services. Financial independence says it is also key that the post-COVID-19 strategies include dedicated funding and support for micro, small and medium-sized businesses and the informal sector, which are predominantly led. Predominantly means mainly. Adverb है. Mainly मतलब प्रमुख, या आप कह सकते हैं मुख्य रूप से, जिसे हम कह रहे हैं mainly, मुख्य रूप से, led by women, many of whom need the assurance of financial independence to escape from dangerous domestic situations. It also says, I would lay particular emphasis on the importance of at present of creating opportunities through virtual meetings and seminars for Commonwealth countries to share knowledge, resources and experience on how best to navigate through the rapidly evolving processes and circumstances within which we now operate. It is encouraging in this regard that throughout the Commonwealth, we already see evidence of renewed commitment and action to end violence against women and girls. Much is being done in our member countries to keep domestic violent refugees open during the outbreak. Outbreak is nothing but we are talking about the pandemic. or this chaotic situation. There are also examples of innovative partnerships with businesses and organizations to provide alternative locations for victims to use as shelters. Some governments have been able to provide additional resourcing and funding to organizations supporting victims so they can upscale. Now, this is a verb and it means to actually level up. Okay, level up to मतलब ऊपर बढ़ाना, संपन्न रूप से, संपन्न रूप के ऊपर, संपन्नता की तरफ जाना. Upskill operations, they can upskill operations and continue, या फिर operations को high end बना सकते हैं, ठीक है, बेहतर बना सकते हैं, and continue providing services in a safe manner. Other useful innovations such as virtual hearings and legal advice are allowing survivors to continue to access justice. And lastly, we have what is clear from my meetings with officials and development leaders is the immense. Immense is an adjective. इसका मतलब होता है बहुत, means a great amount. Immense urgency of taking action to protect women and girls who are being abused, isolated, punched, kicked, and even killed in their homes. Sadly, children living in violent homes are not only witness violence, but also they suffer abuse. Violence in the home is one of the most pervasive human rights challenges of our time. Pervasive, adjective, which means present everywhere, widespread, okay, sarvavyapi. So it's most pervasive human rights that challenges हमारे time के. So the Commonwealth collectively stands ready to bring the power of its advocacy, वकालत करना, वकालत कहेंगे आप, advocacy, and support to the planned UN declaration on women and COVID-19. Advocacy is a noun, ठीक है, वो कह रही है कि जो ये पावर है वकालत की, वो हमें यूज करनी है, you have to get it ready, you have to stand with it, okay, और इसका मतलब होता है public support. We are increasing our ongoing advocacy through a range of initiatives, including creating a strong economic case for addressing gender-biased violence by identifying the significant economic cost if we fail to act. Research from Commonwealth Project, The Economic Cost of Violence Against Women and Girls, a study of Seychelles carried out in 2019 before the pandemic, shows that the gender-biased violence leads to an estimate of cost 4.6 to 5% of GDP. This is huge. Lastly, it says, we will also hold a virtual follow-up session. Follow-up मतलब होता है जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने कोई काम किया, फिर आप उसका follow-up ले रहे हैं, मतलब आप उसको रीएड्रेस कर रहे हैं और उससे इनपुट्स ले रहे हैं, ठीक है, कि कैसा काम चल रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, right? So the Women Affairs Ministerial meeting was held last September to set out an action plan to support women and girls during COVID-19 crisis, because we simply cannot allow victims of domestic abuse and gender-biased violence to feel trapped and helpless during this hidden parallel pandemic. So if you see कि author ने कितना, like the writer or the author, उन्होंने कितना दिमाग लगाया, they're saying that there's a pandemic that people can see, but there's a virtual pandemic or the parallel pandemic that people cannot see. So we have to see, we have to read between the lines, we have to know that this is also what people are facing in our country or across the world. So this was what was talked about in this particular article throughout, and we've learned a lot many words. I hope you people will keep revising them. Take note of the words, go for their synonyms, go for their antonyms, learn them, engross completely, absorb them, okay, as I always say. So this is what I want you guys to know about, to learn. So important words here would be, I would say advocacy, pervasive is an amazing word, outbreak, okay, also outline, predominantly, okay, then we have concerted, we have intervention. These are words that are used frequently, which are not that common, but they're not that simple as well. Use of, see, while doing vocabulary through articles, how it helps you or gives you more benefit is that you get to know the use of the word as well. आपको पता लगता है कि शब्द को sentence में use कैसे किया जा रहा है, वो क्या meaning वहाँ पर impart कर रहा है. This is another thing or the benefit that you have. I shall see you in the next session soon, learners. Till then, keep learning and growing. And do not forget to click the like button. Also, subscribe our channel to have these regular sessions. And also do not forget to press the bell icon to receive constant and regular notifications. Thank you so much.